Hi friends, Namaste. I am Dr. K. Kunyali, Senior Consultant Cardiologist and Program Director, the HeartCare Center, Malabar Hospitals, Kozhikode, Kerala, India. As we all know, COVID-19 pandemic is killing more and more people every day all over the globe. Initially we thought that it would subside within 2 or 3 months. Now we know that it's going to be there with us for some time. So we have to learn to control it, learn to prevent it, learn to manage it effectively. To prevent, we don't have yet any vaccines. To manage it effectively, we don't have antibiotics or antiviral agents effective against coronavirus. So we have to build up our immunity in addition to lifestyle changes to prevent COVID. To build your immunity, you have to take healthy food, you have to do regular exercise, stop tobacco in any form, stop alcohol, and give up all addictions, and control hypertension, diabetes, and heart disease effectively. In addition, you should also take vitamin D supplements. I know that there are no randomized controlled trials to show that it is effective in preventing or controlling COVID or reducing mortality. However, there are some indirect evidences. We know that there are a number of randomized controlled trials which show that vitamin D supplementation can prevent acute respiratory infections. There are other indirect evidences too. The ethnic minorities in UK, the blacks and coloreds, have the lowest vitamin D levels and they have the highest mortality due to COVID. So, there are a large number of studies coming out, but of course none of them are randomized controlled trials. Some of them are really good studies. One of them is from Dr. Mehra and others, which was published on 1st of May 2020. They had studied nearly 9,000 patients from 169 hospitals in 16 countries and in 3 continents, Asia, America, and Europe. The study showed that the average mortality was 6%. Mortality for those without comorbid conditions was 5%. Those with heart failure and severe lung disease like COPD, it was 15%. That's about 3 times the normal. For those with heart disease, hypertension, diabetes, and those above the age of 65, it was 10%, twice the normal. So we have a high-risk group. So we have to prevent the corona infection in those groups. So I think in addition to the lifestyle changes and social distancing, I think I would advise vitamin D supplements for everyone, especially for those with heart disease, hypertension, diabetes, those above the age of 65, and those with heart failure and severe lung disease like COPD and severe pulmonary hypertension. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Thank you once again.